there's different ways people and organizations can give you a platform, right? So you're going from here, and you're using a platform in order to reach a certain goal that's only attained with a certain level of trust, which you might not have today. So that's the trust that's established already from a platform to your opportunity that you see and you want to get there, right? Do you all have something in mind? Yes? You're following me? Okay. There's gatekeepers. This is a typical application, right? You won't get in if you don't qualify, right? You won't get into Berghain. Who's been to Berlin? You won't get into Berghain if the bouncer doesn't like you, right? It's my favorite example. Also, there's influencers, or rather evangelists right here, and those are doors. This is a gate. It's closed for you unless you qualify. This is somebody who's so enthusiastic about your stuff that they will promote you with enthusiasm and anywhere they can. Make sense? And then you have networks. They're a perfect example of this, right? Platforms in terms of networks where if you put your idea in, it'll spread. And so you can do this fairly easily, and you can build a relationship here and a relationship here. Maybe here you need an angle. Does it make sense? You need an angle to convince a gatekeeper to let you in. But that trust is formed, and if you just make this trust happen, which is way easier because you might have your community, you might have great influential people that if they just have the right tools, if they just have the right story, they will, with this established trust, speak for you. And then here, this is a bit of an edge case, but I think it's very important, and it's one that we should put a lot of attention on. But the main thing is that you need to see the opportunity, and when you see it, you want to find ways to get there. And so today we're going to talk about the trust, and we're going to be talking about you crafting your story in a way that other people can use it in order to promote you, basically. Okay, put this to the side.